how to design a DFA for language for all strings over sigma is equal to a comma b, where all strings ends with either AB or BA. Now first of all we'll see language for this. All strings ends with AB and BA only, not ends with BB or AA. Okay, same letter should not be there. So in the language of this one, minimum string will be AB, ends with AB, possible. Okay, ends with BA, also possible. If ABA, this is also possible. BAB, this is also possible. ABAB, like this we can write the string in this language which are ending with either AB or BA. So here, as per our minimum string, we will take one initial state. This is my initial state Q0. Ends with AB. So we'll take ends with AB. Ends with AB. So Q1 and Q. This Q2 will be a final state. Ends with AB. Now this ends with BA. Ends with B and A. If we show BA transition, A transition like this, what will happen? For this Q2, A transition and B transition over there, if we are applying any loop or some string, will not be possible using this DFA. So we cannot show only one final state in such type of example. For this, we need to take two final states. So here, for this case, we are going to take one more final state, and here, if string ends with BA. Now we'll give the name Q3, and this will be Q4, which will be the final state. Okay. Now starts with AB, ends with AB, ends with BA. Now for Q0, A and B transition done as per our sigma. Now we have to show Q1 transition. So B transition is done for Q1. We have to show A transition. If my string is A, so this is accepted. So we can show self loop over here on A transition. Same here for this. If there is a BBBA, so we can show self loop on Q3. So BBBA ends with BA. It's accepted. So for Q3 and Q1, A-B transition done. Now for Q2. For Q2, we have to show A-B transition. Here, this side or this direction, we are going to show ends with AB. If there is a transition, if we are showing A transition as a self loop, what will happen? We can accept A combination at the end of string. So which is not a correct for this language. So A transition we can show like this. If my string is AB, this is acceptable. But AB, this is acceptable. But if my string is ABA, only ABA, this is a ABA, which is accepted, which is started with A from this direction but ends with BA. So from Q2 we cannot show A transition like this. So from Q2 A transition will be this. Means if string is ABA, this is accepted because it ends with BA, even though it is not started from this direction. Same thing BAB, if string is BAB, so it is accepted, which is reaching to Q2. Okay, so from Q2 A transition done, from Q4 B transition done. Now if string is AB and then BA, what will happen? BA, starting with AB and then BA, ends with BA. So we can show this B transition from Q2 to Q3 like this. Same way, if my string is BAAB, ends with AB, ends with BA here, ends with AB, but start with BA, then here we can show, we'll show in this way, then AB. Okay, so this will be the finite automata. these are the two final state, and all these transition was sigma is equal to a comma b. So here again show draw transition table. Okay, transition table, then acceptance and rejection of string. So you know how to show acceptance and rejection. So let us consider string is A B A B A. A B A B A accepted. If string is B A A B, B A B na, B A A and then B, this is accepted. Let us consider A B B B, A B B B, it is rejected. So like this we can show acceptance and rejection of a string for such kind of example. This is our final.
Thank you. If you like this video, click on like button and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Click on bell button to get notification of new videos. Thank you.